Hi traders, and welcome to my video on the Auto Fibonacci Indicator. As the name suggests, this is an indicator that will automatically draw Fibonacci retracement levels for you on your charts, something that a lot of traders often get confused with in terms of where to actually place the lines. So you can see I'm using the MT4 MetaTrader 4 platform here. I've got the Auto Fibonacci indicator loaded, and what it's done is it's picked the high of the chart and the low, and it's used that to mark the Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay, so Fibonacci levels, if you don't know, are just basically key levels where you can expect some reaction from price, and that's whether it holds up as a support or resistance level, or it can be used for trading breakouts. Okay, I like to trade in the direction of the trend. So in this instance, I'm going to be looking at taking a short trade. If anything, this is a euro dollar 4-hour chart. You can see price is falling in the long term. Granted, there has been a move to the upside recently, but I actually prefer longer term trades because I'm trying to capture moves for hundreds of pips rather than trying to scalp a few pips here and there. Okay, so then what happens as price starts to move away from the support level here? These retracement levels, so we've got this one here, okay, 23 level, you've got 38, 50, 61, 78, and 100. Okay, and what you can do is you can look to short or sell basically in line with the downwards trend when price reaches these levels. Okay, this would perhaps be an aggressive entry on this pullback to this level here. Whereas this may be more conservative if you wait for it to pull back to the 38. I'll be honest with you, I personally don't like to rely solely on technical indicators and the Fibonacci being an indicator that I don't use often, just simply because I prefer to have more freedom over my trading. I mean, you know, it's drawn the Fibonacci like this at the moment for us, which is fine, but if we just get a hold of the indicator here, okay, it would have been drawn like this at this point in the market. Okay, if say we were back here, okay, it would have been looking like this on this. It's automatically drawn it again. How it would have been displayed historically was, if I can just get a hold of it, it would have been here, okay, and then you can see that price actually retraced to the 38 level in this instance, which would have been almost a pin perfect trade to short into this trend, you know, which is good. We can't argue with that. You see, it would have been here. Price did retrace to this point here. You can see that lines up perfectly with the 38 line. So that is how I would be looking to trade in this instance. However, that's nothing that I can't do myself by simply drawing a trend line, okay, and drawing a support level, whether that is this support here and a breakout there to the downside, or this support level here, okay. Alternatively, we could have been in earlier once we seen the breakout below here. Okay, we had resistance up here. Just remove that line. Say this support, resistance, support breakout, price falls. And then I would have used this support level here and traded a breakout there. Okay, this support level then actually becomes resistance, breakout there. There was ample opportunities without needing any magical indicators to trade into this trend. Obviously not trying to sell too low, waiting for a more significant reversal before re-entering. Ideally, you want to take one trade into the trend, so I want to get in as early as possible and just ride that, you know, of almost 700 pips profit potential in the space of a month or so, just from one well-timed trade. Okay, if you do insist on using the Auto Fibonacci indicator, I would trade in the direction of the trend. Okay, I wouldn't rely 100% on the levels. Let's just say, for example, the price didn't quite pull back here to the 38. Does that mean that you would have missed the trade? If you would have taken the trade at the 23 level, you would have been in drawdown up to the 38 level. So really, I personally don't think anything can beat price action trading myself. But obviously the Fibonacci is a popular tool. It's just open to interpretation as well. Like, where do you draw it? Some traders might have it drawn here, some might have it here, some might have it over here. It's really open to interpretation as well, in my opinion. I much prefer just to trade naked, for want of a better term. By that I mean no technical indicators, not relying on any technical indicators. In fact, let's just, if you want this indicator, if you just search for Auto Fibonacci MT4, MT5, TradingView, whatever platform you're using, be able to find it, load it onto your charts. Let me just remove it from my chart. Now for me, I don't know, it may just be me, but I much prefer to look at this. Okay, I can see like a lot of noise in the market at the moment. You can see we have this level of resistance here. Okay, overall perhaps we're still in a downwards trajectory. Okay, and we do have this level of support here, and also here as well. To be interesting to see what happens after this consolidation phase. Perhaps be looking for a breakout to the downside. But we don't necessarily need any indicators to pick, you know, market's trending down, support, breakout, okay? You know, market's trending up, making higher lows. Okay, you get your pullback, and you get your breakout. There's ample opportunity, pullback, breakout, just trading this way. Okay, obviously having good discipline, have a trading plan and stick to it, practice on a demo account. Don't let negative emotions like fear, anger, and greed sway your trading decisions. I prefer longer term chart time frames. This is, as I said, a 4-hour chart. It's euro dollar. But you know, you can also go down to the 1-hour chart, still find ample opportunities to enter in on trends. More or less the same, similar entries as we took on the 4-hour. Perhaps there is another nice M formation and a breakout earlier. Certainly got this ledge here. Okay, so you can do multiple time frame analysis just for confirmation, but you've got this level of support, higher lows, lower highs, sorry, and a breakout to the downside. If you just zoom out, so this is a nice trend. You had ample opportunities to enter, and you didn't need any magical technical unicorn indicators to figure that out. Just as if we look at this upwards trend, but going into the 1 hour, you can perhaps hone in, time your entry, pullback, breakout, and the Auto Fibonacci, you know, you can use it as well. It might help you spot pullbacks. The thing is, the pullbacks won't always go to the Fibonacci level. Okay, I just feel like you have more freedom when you just draw your lines on what the price is showing you. Okay, because price action is you know, it's not lagging, it's not repainting, it's showing you what the market's doing at any given time. Okay, hopefully you found something useful in this video. If you can like and subscribe, that would really help my channel. I hope to catch you on the next one. Take care.